Store homemade and commercial cleaners in clearly labeled, secure containers away from living areas and direct heat. For homemade mixtures, always transfer to a chemical-resistant container and include the full ingredient list and date mixed on the label so you can track potency and reactivity. Use amber or opaque bottles for light-sensitive solutions and keep containers sealed with child-resistant caps to prevent spills and accidental ingestion. Separate incompatible chemicals by storing acids, bases, and oxidizers in distinct, ventilated areas, and never combine containers from different sources without verifying contents first. Maintain a simple log, either a paper notebook or a file on your phone, noting when supplies were opened and any observed changes in smell, color, or clarity. Discard if changes occur. Keep all cleaners off the floor and at least 5 feet above ground level when children or pets are present, and lock storage when possible. For commercial products, follow the manufacturer guidelines, observe printed expiration dates, and avoid transferring to unlabeled or food-grade containers. Common mistakes include failing to label homemade mixes, which leads to accidental misuse and dangerous combinations, so write all ingredients and the mixing date on the container and on a separate checklist. People also store incompatible products together like bleach and ammonia, which can produce toxic gases, so immediately separate acids, bleach, and solvents into different cabinets with clear signage. A third issue is using deteriorated containers that leak or react with contents. Always use containers marked chemical resistant like high-density polyethylene or glass for solvents. Replace any that show stress or cracks, and keep a spill kit and absorbent materials nearby. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance related to home care and safety, including cleaning product storage best practices. Our community discussions let us share real experiences, ask questions, and learn from neighbors while contractors discover job opportunities and engage with potential clients.